men's health, fashion, footwear, lifestyle. Your mental health and your physical health are basically like yin and yang. Hello one, hello all. How y'all doing today? It's Chery. Welcome to Mr. Chery's World. Again, sorry. Did not mean for it to take this long to give y'all an actual proper intro to my world. Again, this is my YouTube channel. It's Mr. Chery's World. My name's Alexander Chery. It's a blessing and honor to be a part of y'all lives. Thank you for stopping on by. Again, it means a lot. So on this channel, I, Chery, will be talking about fashion, footwear, men's health, and lifestyle. All four of those things definitely coincide with each other, from the way you look to the way you feel, inside and out. And I just want to be an advocate for those things that are important to my life. And I know there's some guys out there, and girls too, who definitely need a little push, a little motivation, what's that silver lining in the storm, like, that's him, I need him, I'm that guy for y'all. Again, this is a channel that's going to be based off of fashion. You're going to see a lot of fashion. I do a lot of thrifting. I make one-on-ones, some customs myself. I distress. You're looking at Distress by the Best. Not only that, footwear. I got plenty of it, as you can see behind me. And each week during the summer, I'll be going through each individual shoe, one by one. And for that week, I'll be putting together outfits, talking about the shoe, etc., etc. So we got fashion, footwear, men's health. Now that's also mental, physical health. So I feel like personally, your mental health and your physical health are basically like yin and yang. They go hand in hand. And if one's out of whack, the other's gonna be out of whack. So on this channel, and these are things that I'm learning too that I want to get to y'all on my day-to-day basis. So you got fashion, footwear, men's health. I'm gonna give you guys a weekly vlog. You're gonna get one vlog a week. It's gonna be Sunday through Saturday and drops that following Sunday. So lifestyle, showing you guys different things within my area, the things that I do in my day-to-day, some of the places I visit. So this channel is gonna have a broad spectrum of men's health, fashion, footwear, lifestyle. So again, I appreciate y'all. I do have videos already out. I'm gonna leave some links down below. Go ahead and check them out. Click on them, watch the videos, get a good feel for my vibe, what it is I do, some of the things that I like to do. You know, again, we're here for each other. Leave a comment, things I could have done better, things I could do next time, things you want to see on this channel. Again, I'm so happy and so pleased to be out here for everybody. I am out here for y'all. I'm doing this for myself too. I'm doing this for the generation behind me, my loved ones, so they know this is where it started. It all started right here. Again, I appreciate y'all. It's Chery. Welcome to Chery's World. I'm out. It's been real. Peace. You dig?